So you need almond flour, butter, sugar, salt, and pinch of vanilla, like this. Good. Now you're gonna mix this. So after you're done, it's gonna look like this. It's not sticky. So now what you're gonna do, you take the pan and you're gonna form the cookies how you like. I'll show you how I'm gonna do. So I'm gonna take little bowl, I roll it, and I do it like this. See? Of course, you can make like this, roll the bowl. You can put some chocolate chip here, and you just press the chocolate chip here. But I'm not gonna do it, I'm gonna do like this. Roll it. And do like this. So you preheat your oven 325 degrees, and you're gonna bake them 20 minutes till they're gonna be golden and brown. So roll it like this. It's okay if they're a little bit cracked. So like this. And you can roll any shape you like. So I take my last cookies from the oven, so they're gonna look like this. They're still hot, and you have to be careful. They can break easy. You have to make sure they cool down. So now what you're gonna do, I take the cookies, they already cooled down. I have here powdered sugar. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna take the cookie and dip it in powdered sugar, like this.
What's that?
So after you're done coating them in powdered sugar, so that's how they're gonna look like, and I'll show you how they're gonna look inside. They're very crispy and they melt in the mouth, and they taste really good, and they're really easy to make and gluten-free. Enjoy, and thank you for watching my video. If you like my video, please subscribe, share and like, and enjoy.